morning from the Gold Coast, Surfers Paradise. This is day 3. The first 3 days were the first couple of days, sorry, were pretty terrible. And yeah, we got here Sunday afternoon and it was pretty windy. And yesterday, Monday, it rained all day, so we had a pretty shocking day. Spent most of the day indoors, so this is the first time I've been able to get out and take a video. Stunning scenery here on the Gold Coast, Surfers Paradise. A few people walking up and down the beach. It's only about 6:30 in the morning. But yeah, everyone gets up, gets out and about and goes for a walk early in the morning, and it's actually quite nice here at the moment. People jogging up and down, as you can see. I'm the person coming up. Just amazing how people get up so early in the morning. It's actually a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Water looks a little bit cold, but I'm not game to go in, so I thought I'll just keep walking on the foreshore, see how we go. Good morning. It's actually quite nice. It's not too bad. I'm considering going in, but it looks a little bit cold. But yeah, it's not too bad. Glorious morning. Glorious morning here in Surfers Paradise. People jogging. Going for a swim. See all the buildings. Oh, 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 oh. Didn't see that coming. Okay. And the water's actually quite good. Morning.
Morning.
Beautiful day. Yeah, it's a nice day today. Better than yesterday.
Oh.
Yeah, yesterday no good. And we got the local lifesavers out. People going, let's go for a swim, I reckon. Maybe we can go for a swim. We're going to try going in the water. We're going to try going in the water and see what it's like. Okay, I'm going to go have my first dip in the water. See what it's like. I hope this camera's waterproof. That's the skyline there. Beautiful weather. I don't know how this is going to go, but we're going to go into the water. Okay. Oh, it's actually a little bit chilly underneath. Uh-oh. Go in and have a look. Oh, that's cold. Oh, that's cold. I hope this thing's waterproof. I'm actually in the water now, testing out my GoPro. This could be either the shortest video ever recorded, or it could be good. Oh, it's actually quite choppy. I'm actually down to my shorts, or as in the water to my shorts. Oh, that's it. I don't know where I'm going. That is a beautiful stunning view. How far are we going? That is a brilliant, brilliant scenery. It's actually getting shallower and shallower. I don't know if this thing's going to record too much longer. It's probably going to go. I can't see what it's doing, but I think it's still recording. I don't know. Woo. That is a stunning view from out here. We got a couple of surfers out there. Oh, here come the waves. I'm actually getting close to the waist pipe. Oh. I don't know if you can see it, there's a couple of surfers there, but really morning. Actually quite nice. Ooh. Trying to get in a bit deeper, but oh shit. Oh, a little bit rough. Oh. Okay. If I had a surfboard, it'd be good if I had a surfboard. I'm trying to test my camera, see if it's waterproof. Ha, we'll find out in a minute. Oh, here we go. Oh, I'm actually in the water, and I am getting drenched here with the GoPro. I don't know if it's still working. I hope it is. Yeah, low level camera work. Oh, that is sick. Okay, just walking down the foreshore, having a good time. Actually, the water's quite good, it's not too bad. It's actually quite a pleasant day today, so that's alright. Oh, you got a little cutie. Hello. I left my dog in Melbourne, a little Jack Russell.
Just for a little holiday?
Yeah, yeah, just for a holiday. Yeah, cutie. Hello, what's your name?
Nala.
Hello. Oh, it doesn't like that. It won't bite you. There you go. It won't bite you. You can have a look. Say hello.
What is that?
I just went for a swim with it, and so I'm just trying it out. See if it's waterproof. Well, it's still working. Sort of still working.
Oh, very good, yeah.
Yeah, we'll see when I dunk it underwater. But
Yeah.
oh, watch your bikes. See you later, Nala. Bye bye. Bye bye. Alright, we're gonna go in the water. Go for a swim. My gear. Ah. Not going for a swim.
Sorry?
You're not going in with the dog.
She hates the water.
Hello.
Like, she loves water, but she just gets so scared that she's actually being barreled, by the way.
Oh,
like, see
okay.
how shallow it is? I take her right in the shallows, but that's where it dumps.
Oh,
So
okay.
she gets so scared.
I'll find out. I thought, well,
She has been barreled.
I thought,
Very
I thought I'm gonna go in underwater, see if I can put it underwater, see if it works. Because before I just got the splash, so well, that's what they reckon. I'll find out soon enough. If you hear me screaming, I'll say, you know, it's not working or something. Or see you, Nala. Bye.